we are already here. Let's see what's the deal is. Good morning, sir.
Pull it out of the garage.
All right, it's drivable?
No.
Okay. Just leave me back into it. You can pull it just here. I mean, that'll be fine. If you need, you want me to push it?
Yeah, we'll push it a little bit.
Okay. It's okay if you are recording for insurance purpose.
What's that?
It's okay if you are recording. I'm recording for insurance purpose.
Yeah, sure.
Ready? I got you. Just getting just.
It's not shifting up.
It's completely dead, or?
It's not dead. The problem.
You got the key with you?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Do you already push that once?
Yeah.
No, that the key you already pushed. That is that a push or turn?
It's push.
Okay. Take the pedal off, for the brake off.
Yeah. The problem. The problem is electrical.
Okay. It should shift right now.
Yeah, it should.
Do you push it? Oh, it's not. Okay. Yeah. If you're not, let's see. Let me go get just let me see if there could be a little shift.
Yeah, there's nothing, and I'm.
Do you see any? Let me check. It should be a little pop thing right on the. Sorry about. Okay, yeah, it's right here. All right, let me get a screwdriver and we'll shift to the neutral.
Okay.
All right, let me go. Yeah, because it should be in the second cycle. It should come up in neutral.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. All right, give me a second. Let's see. All right, you want to get in?
All right, I'm in.
All right, take the e-brake off. All right, that's good right there. Yeah, just hold it with the foot brake. It should stay.
Okay.
And the shop knows it's coming.
Yeah, they do.
Okay.
You know where it's going, right?
I got the address.
Hometown Auto.
Yeah.
You've probably taken cars there before, so.
Oh yeah. Okay, you want to get done with the payment right now so you can go and do whatever you want to do.
Yeah.
See right here. So it's gonna be 155 even.
Okay, let's put that on here.
Thank you.
And I'm putting the keys in the center.
And the center goes right with the screwdriver is. How was your holidays?
It was good up until yesterday.
Yeah.
How about yours?
Yeah, it was good. I wasn't cold and but it wasn't slow, so.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
I would figure the holidays were some of your busiest days.
Believe me, they did. Yeah, we open 24/7. We never close.
Yeah.
539. And let's see, Daniel, okay. All right, you good to go?
All right, thank you very
All
much.
right, thank you, sir. Have a good day.
All right.
All right, don't worry, I will take care of your car. Okay, we get this one. This is an easy one. He says he got some electrical issues. So I gotta check that hydraulic oil on this track. It's kind of slow, so but yeah, right here. It's a short distance. Get this thing off the bed, off the truck, and heading to the other one. We got one more waiting for us. Not a big concern, but I don't want the other one be sitting for too long because it's in the gas station, and I don't want them the gas station to call the impound, and that's gonna be worse. We don't want that for the customer, so we have to want to get it as soon as possible. So we have to try to hurry up. Yeah, it's probably started problem maybe. Because it's not going nowhere. See, this is where you shift to the neutral. So you push with the screwdriver, and this will go. That it would be hard, but you have to take this little top off, and then of course, see, put it back. What you do is just pop this thing up, and it will. That's an easy way to shift to the neutral. Nothing out of the world, but sometimes, you know, when you start on this job and there's a lot of things that nobody tell you. So at least, I mean, you might know and other people know, but I always, you know, it's always giving advice, you know. It's not, doesn't hurt anybody. So that's how you shift lock a Kia Sorento. And keys. Oh, I got the lights on. I don't know, something going on with the electrical system, because it's beeping like the keys in it. So there's the key in the car. Key fob. So this is done. We're going for the next one. So keep watching. The other one is coming, so I want it's about 10 minutes, 15 minutes from here, so we'll be back with that one. We're here for the other one, so let's see. Doesn't have no keys, so customer took the keys. Yeah, it's a little bit harder than a regular car. Nada. ¿Y qué es lo que hace? Cuando vas corriendo, cuando ya van a arranque, ¿no tiembla o...?
No, como que cuando ya va corriendo, como que se le traba el acelerador y como que no hay gas. Todos los demás van.
Como que no tiene...
A ver, sería no, pero la transmisión no creo.
No. Y no tiene ni código ni nada, ni una luz ni nada, no le prendió. Sí, sí, el problema es que estos carros tienen bastantes vacuums y alguna manguerita se le ha zafado o algo que no, pero está difícil de encontrar, a modo que le pongan la computadora.
1 hour later.
Okay, we are ready here in Arlington, Virginia, and I think they're leave here. For where? Yep. What else I can say? That was a long trip, a long way. But we already here. So let me double check where they want me to drop it at. Okay, that'll be that one, so see you in a bit.